Righty, folks, we are in Barnsdall, Oklahoma, Osage Nation. And when I come into town, it said, there's a sign there that said this was the former home of Clark Gable. Now we know that his current home is either heaven, hell, or purgatory, but at some point at his time on earth, he lived here. But this town looks like it recently got hit. There's no cell service in this town. So there's it looks like some kind of refinery across the road here. It looks like the tornado came right through this part of town here. You can see everything is reduced to rubble. It looks pretty recent. Like this happened this year.
Turn left toward 5th Street, then turn right onto 5th Street.
Shut up, lady. Anyway, as you can see, we'll pull down this way, but this looks pretty rough. Looks like they got a bad one through here. All the trees are gone in this area. What's crazy is you see all these, everything's leveled except for this church. Everything around it's gone except for the church.
How is that possible?
Because there is a higher power, missus.
I know that, but I mean, how does that withstand?
People were praying. Sorry about the lady in there. I don't have any cell service, but for some reason she still wants to blabber her mouth telling me that I need to take a left and a right, right, like I'm in New Orleans or somewhere. Anyway, yeah, this
Some windows.
he lost his windows, but it's standing. Nothing else over here is standing. It's crazy. There's a shed that made it.
I mean, everything around it is gone.
But yeah, look at this. Nothing.
Jesus Christ.
Man, it just took it down to the foundation. It's crazy.
That little gray myrtle.
And you can see all these trees in here are gone. Looks like a pretty powerful tornado. Twister. But yeah, you can just see slabs and stuff. It's like where a house was at one time, parking garage. That looks like the garage at one time to a house. Wow. This looks pretty recent. Definitely this spring or early summer.
Tornado Alley. We gotta get our storm shelter done with the people.
Yeah, we need to get ours. Mrs. Max is going to put a peephole in ours so she can see the twister as it's coming. But yeah, it's crazy. It hit that side of the road, like blew it away, and this side has no damage. It's wild.
These guys are redoing their roof. It's good.
Yeah, roof's going back on that building. Country store and grill. Pretty wild stuff, huh? Just lucky these that petroleum plant across the street didn't get hit. That would have been a mess. But you get here in town and everything looks normal. There's a cigar Indian there. That's kind of cool. And this side's complete rubble. It's just weird how it came through here. Look at that. That side's complete rubble. Right here, nothing. That side was rubble. Here is downtown Barnsdall. I like the old downtown, it's pretty sweet. Uptown Pizza. So I'm thinking I need to turn left here. I had to turn her off because she was getting on my last nerve. There's Asian cuisine in that building there. She looks to me like this has been a perfect place to film that show, right? It's got enough buildings, looks old.
Artillery tank to the left of you.
There were some Tatankas to the left of us. Yeah, it's a cool town. A lot of stone buildings and all. Too bad it got hit. I like little towns like this. There's an oil well right in the middle of the road. Check that out.
That's
What do you think this is? Is it ice? And what is this?
Feed. What is it? Corn. It's corn.
A corn feeder?
It's a corn feeder.
That's wild. I ain't never seen that before.
I've never seen a oil well developed.
So you can just get 30 pounds of corn at a time in a bag. That's wild.
Go to the store.
All right, I gotta check this out, man. This is crazy. World's only Main Street oil well, completed March 16th, 1914. A depth of 1,771 feet. That's crazy. So that's been there since 1917 and is right in the middle of Main Street. How wild is that, man?
Oklahoma's casinos, they've got sucks.
I guess they don't like the governor in this state. I don't know much about him, but
No windmills in Osage County.
they're trying to keep the windmills out. That's good.
Windmills out. I love the windmills.
Kind of feel like I'm on CJ Street, you know, like the little cul-de-sac where all the in the game Grand Theft Auto, San Andreas. All right, we gotta make a U-turn. It's the end of the road, folks. So I do wonder, I only watched that movie once. I wonder if they used this town, because it's real close to where they say they filmed this movie at. I have to look it up and see. It looks like it'd be perfect for filming a movie. But yeah, corn silo next to the ice. That's wild. Well, I want to thank you for joining us on this tour of Barnsdall, Oklahoma. I hope you have subscribed below, and we appreciate you watching. Don't miss next week. We will be in the town where they film Killers of the Flower Moon. Make sure you stay tuned, and we'll see you folks next time. Peace, everybody.